Welcome to our brand new Environmental Engineering Laboratory. This is where our BS and Civil Engineering students complete their environmental engineering related laboratory work in their junior year. In this course, students gain hands-on experience collecting water samples from 2 local rivers and then analyze the water for parameters such as pH, alkalinity, hardness, and total suspended solids. Students also assess whether the water quality in any of the 2 rivers sampled would make these locations suitable to serve as drinking water sources by comparing their measured values to federal and state water quality standards. The Environmental Engineering Laboratory also serves as a research laboratory where both undergraduate and graduate students can perform experimental research as part of an undergraduate research experience, a graduate research project, or an MS thesis. The Civil Engineering Hydraulics Laboratory provides students in their junior year the experience of seeing fluid flow in action. Students learn the theory of fluid movement in different systems such as pipes, open channels, and rivers in the hydraulics course, and gain hands-on experience of conducting experiments in the laboratory to understand how theory is applied to real systems. Students investigate in the lab the relationship between flow and loss of energy as water flows through pipe systems. Natural phenomena such as hydraulic jumps are simulated in the open channel flume as water flows under an obstruction, allowing students to determine the energy released as the flow returns to its original conditions. The river table allows students to explore factors that impact the meandering of rivers. These experiments help students to understand how hydraulic models are used to verify and test theories, expanding their knowledge of fluid flow in different systems. Welcome to the tour of the soils, materials, and testing labs used by students in civil engineering courses. The first lab is the Soils Lab. The equipment in this lab is used to determine the properties of soils such as moisture content, density, grain size, compaction, permeability, and so on. These properties are necessary for the design of foundations. Here, a group of students are performing the grain size analysis test. This is our concrete lab. The preparation of concrete specimens and tests in the Civil Engineering Materials course related to fresh properties of concrete such as slump, air content, and unit weight are performed here. We also use this lab for mixing and casting the Concrete Canoe, which is an annual competition organized by the American Society of Civil Engineers. In the Concrete Canoe competition, a canoe is designed, mixed, poured, and rowed by students. Our students participate every year in this competition. This is our materials lab, which is used for determining the properties of civil engineering materials such as flexural and compression strength of concrete and tensile strength of steel and aluminum. Here a student is testing an aluminum sample in tension. Let's go and see. We also use this lab for computational research. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our labs. We hope to see you here in the fall for our concrete mixing day.